Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am giving you a complete Hostinger dashboard overview, especially designed for beginners and intermediate users. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the Hostinger interface and know where to go and what to click without confusion. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming step-by-step guides. So let's get started. Home. This is the main page you see after logging in. It gives you a quick overview of your account, active services, and useful shortcuts. Think of this as an information page. No major settings here, just a summary of your account. Websites. This is one of the major important sections in Hostinger. From here you can manage your websites, install WordPress, open the WordPress dashboard, control website panel. Control website settings. Almost everything related to your website starts from this section. Domains. This section is for managing your domain names. Here you can buy a new domain, connect an existing domain, manage DNS and name servers. If your website is not loading, the first thing you should check is the domain section. Horizons. Horizons is Hostinger AI-powered tools area. It helps with connect ideas, website-related automation. For beginners, this section is optional. You can safely skip it when starting out. Emails. This is where you create professional email address like info@yourdomain.com, blog@yourdomain.com, and so and so. You can create email accounts, access webmail, manage email plans. Very useful if you are building a business or professional website. Email marketing. This section is for sending newsletters, promotion emails, marketing campaigns. If you are a beginner, you don't need this right now. It's more useful once your website or business starts growing. VPS. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. This is designed for high traffic websites, advanced users and developers. If you are using shared hosting or WordPress hosting, you can ignore VPS for now. Billing. This section shows all your payment and invoices. From here you can renew hosting, download invoices, update payment methods. Always keep an eye on this section to avoid service interruptions. All services. This section displays everything you have purchased from Hostinger in one place. It's a quick and easy way to access hosting, domain, email, and other services. Now you have a clear understanding of the hosting dashboard and every sidebar option. In the next videos, I will explain each section in detail, starting with websites and WordPress management step by step. So make sure you are subscribed and I will see you in the next one.